Not many people know, but when you actually take vitamin and mineral pills, you don't actually absorb very much. The reason for this is, of course, that it's not part of a whole food. They've either been synthesized in the laboratory or extracted from food. Consequently, the body doesn't really recognize them very easily, and so they're not very well absorbed. That's why many doctors tend to call vitamin pills expensive urine. So what if I was to tell you that we can actually have a pill where the mineral is exactly as you would find it in food? It's associated with all the factors that it needs for the body to understand, so it can be absorbed very well. It's an interesting little story. A few years ago there was a species of broccoli, it's actually called Brassica juncea, that was found to have a remarkable ability. It would take up heavy metals in great quantities. So it was planted on sites that were polluted, and of course it cleared these sites because it was able to take up all the heavy metals from the soil. And then someone very bright thought, if it can take up heavy metals, can it take up good minerals? And the answer was yes. So imagine this. This is really revolutionary. What we do is we take this species of brassica, we grow it hydroponically, we feed in a nutrient-rich broth, so it's taken up by the growing plant, and remember it has the receptor sites in it that are capable of holding a great deal of the particular mineral that we feed in, far more than many other species, and we continue feeding it until the plant is fully grown. We then harvest it, dry it, powder it, and put it into a vegan capsule. Now, how stunning is that? Isn't that nutrients as nature intended?